Oasis was so popular because everything they did, the way they walked, the way they talked, the way they combed their hair, they were now a fashion statement, and so the music came forward again. But after Definitely Maybe going #1, they sold 200 million copies, and when the second album came out, it was crazy because every single album sold out 800 million copies in 24 hours. There were queues standing outside waiting for their albums, and this was even before the United States even knew that the band Oasis actually escaped.